and all. Now in this class I will explain generation of SSPSC wave. Generation of SSPSC wave. That means single sideband. Okay. Generally, the generation of SSPSC wave is used in two modulators or two methods. That is, one is frequency discrimination method, that is the filter method or filter method, frequency discrimination method, filter method, and second one phase discrimination method. Phase discrimination method or Hartley method. Phase discrimination method or Hartley modulator. Hartley modulator. First, frequency discrimination method. In frequency discrimination method, we can generate DSPSC signal and pass to the band pass filter. You can design the DSPSC wave, that is the first one. Product modulator, this is the M of T signal. Product modulator give to the carrier signal. This is local oscillator. Local oscillator generates this signal, carrier signal C of T, and give DSPSC signal and passes to the DSP signal to the band pass filter. Band pass filter, you can get SSPSC. It is the frequency discrimination method or filter method. In this we can use product modulator, local oscillator and band pass filter. Already we know the DSP signal S of T DSP SC signal equal to M of T into C of T AM AC by 2 cos 2 pi FC plus FM into T plus this is the upper sideband frequency AM by AC by 2 cos 2 pi FC minus FM into T. This is the lower sideband signal. This is the output of DSPSC wave. This signal is passed to the band pass filter. Band pass filter. You can set the design of band pass filter is very difficult. We can design exactly what we can require in the output. Suppose we can give upper sideband frequency. The band should be upper sideband frequency. That means FC to FC plus FL. And lower band frequency, so we can set the frequency tuning in band pass filter. After passing through the band pass filter, we can get either upper sideband or lower sideband. AM AC by 2 cos 2 pi FC plus FM into T or AM by AC by 2 cos 2 pi FC minus FM into T, depending upon your band pass filter design. And next one is the phase discrimination method or Hartley modulator. Second one is phase discrimination method or Hartley modulator. It is like a costless loop receiver. Already last class we will explain costless loop. It is also like a costless loop. In this we can use two coherent detectors or coherent modulators. Suppose that means this is the one product modulator, this is the another product modulator. This is also called PM. That means product modulator. This is the another product modulator. It gives the signal, message signal M of t, and also you have to give the minus 90 degrees phase shift, wideband phase shift. Phase shift to the another product modulator. That means M of t given to the first modulator and M cap of t. This is the Hilbert. M cap of t is the Hilbert transform of M of t. That means 90 degrees phase shift. Next we can generate carrier signal. We can use local oscillator. We can send the first modulator, that is the cos 2 pi FCT, and in phase to the first modulator and out of phase to the second 90 degree phase shift. Second third modulator. Okay, then we can use summer plus or minus. We can use the output upper sideband or lower sideband. This is the cos 2 pi FCT. This is sin 2 pi FCT. Okay, it is M of t into cos 2 pi FCT, and the output of the second modulator is product modulator is M cap of t into sin 2 pi FCT. Can use minus, subtraction or addition. In this we can use addition. We can require the lower sideband, and we can use the suppression. We can get the output is upper sideband frequency. This is the phase discrimination method of generation of SSPSC wave. Okay.